What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this ethereal and also beautiful meadow scene or the meadow pose. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of the photography. Let's say when you are in the red carpet, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally changed or transformed into this pose. It's like laying down on the beautiful meadow and also during the sunrise. How to create this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. And don't worry, because you can apply to it into your another AI photo editing or AI photo generator. And you can click this Try Nano Banana, and if you would like to use it into this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can start to upload your profile picture or your selfie picture. And after that, you can use this prompt, and don't worry, because you can simply copy it from the description box. Basically, the prompt gonna be like this. Can you wait? Okay, transform this image into the serene and ethereal outdoor scene, and also the hair person is lying peacefully and also on their back in a sun-drenched meadow filled with the tall green grass and also delicate small wildflower in hues of pink and white, these flowers. And also their eyes are gently closed and their face is turned slightly upwards, conveying a sense of calm and contentment. And also the person is wearing the light color and also flowing dress or loose fitting clothing, and also the sun is setting rising in the background, casting a warm golden glow across the entire scene and also creating the beautiful lens flare and soft dreamlike atmosphere. And also the focus is on his or this beauty, and also the tranquility and the harmonious interaction of the person with nature. And after that, you can continue to click around down here and kindly wait for the output. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before. However, you can also have the possibility to have the different look, maybe a little bit, maybe about the angle and also a little bit the position of the person. And if you like it, then you can start to simply download it and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.